beauties, welcome back to another Brite News video. So different setup today because I've got a little bit of a product review to do and also something that I actually have to do for myself today. So I thought I would test out this product on camera just because I'm really interested to see how it looks. Okay, so today I'm actually going to be reviewing a Retainer Brite cleaning tablet. Very different to what I normally review, only because obviously you guys followed me on my Invisalign journey when I had my teeth fixed. I have been looking for a retainer cleaner for so long, and one of my really good friends, Sophie, she actually recommended testing out the Brite cleaning tablets. She said she recommends them, so I thought I would do that today. I've not opened the box. This has just come from Amazon. I think it cost me like £7, and you're meant to get 36 tablets so within this box. And it says on here it's for cleans and brightens removable dental appliances, including clear retainers, wire retainers, clear aligners, support mouth guards, night guards, bruxing appliances, TMJ appliances and dentures. So this is meant to be able to clean all of those things. Let's open it up. So inside I have all of these. So there are 4 tablets to a packet. You only need to use 1 tablet, I believe, for cleaning. So let's get that ready. Okay, so here's the tablet. It says on here it kills 99% of common odour causing bacteria. Helps remove plaque, cleans and brightens removable dental appliances. So let's get into using these. They all have on the bottom an expiry date, and this is 2021, and how to use. So I've already read this, but I'm going to share this anyway. Drop one of the tablets into warm water, not hot water, to cover appliances. So I actually have a jar full of warm water. This is just an old like sauce jar. As you can see, I've got the glue on the back. I usually use these for flowers and things like that, so I thought it's a great little, you know, jar to use rather than using one of my glasses. So I'm just going to pop that down in front of me. I will move the camera when I'm doing this so you can see. And then it says place appliance into bubbling blue solution, and then after 15 minutes appliance is clean and odour free. Rinse appliance and hands thoroughly with running water. Do not allow wire appliances to soak for more than 15 minutes. Remove promptly and rinse thoroughly with water. So let's get started. So I have 2 retainers that I need to clean, but what I'm going to do is just show you one being clean so you can see the difference. They're both really disgusting, so let me show you them. So they're both really quite bad, and what I usually do to clean my retainers, I've been obviously using like a soft toothbrush and cleaning them that way, but apparently that's not the way to go to have a clean these and make them look fresh and new. So yes, okay, I'm only going to do one whilst on camera and then I'll show you the difference. So I'm going to take this tablet and I'm just going to, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the tablet looks like, and then I'm just going to place it into the water. It doesn't smell very nice, I'm not going to lie. And then it says place the appliance into the bubbling blue solution. So I'm just going to pop my retainer in. And now we just need to wait 15 minutes. Hey guys, so our 15 minutes are up, so I'm going to now go into the bathroom and empty this out, and I'll show you this all looks like. I'm going to kind of film on my phone just because I'm not going to take my camera in with me, and then I'll show you the difference between the other retainer that hasn't been cleaned and this one. Hey guys, so I haven't actually filmed on a phone in so long, but anyway, it's time to clear out the Brite cleaner where my retainer is. So I'm actually just going to pour it away. There we go. So it says on the box that I now need to rinse with water and then thoroughly wash my hands. So I'm just going to try and pop you up or not. I'll try and put it on here somehow and then I'll wash it. So I'm just going to give it a good soak. It doesn't smell anymore, actually looks so clean, which is incredible. So this is the retainer, but let's go back in the bedroom and I'll show you everything. So we're back and I've just rinsed this. So now I'm going to show you the difference. So this is the cleaned one. As you can see, a lot of the lime scale has just completely been removed. I think it looks so much better. Like, I cannot believe how clean that looks. And then here's the old one. So let's see if I can show you the difference. So this is the one that hasn't been cleaned and this is the one that has. If you can see, the colour difference is amazing and it actually looks so much clearer, which is incredible. I can't believe it. It just looks so much clearer. It's awesome. And it doesn't smell of anything like it said it would. It doesn't smell like anything. It did say it was odour free. So now I just need to clean the rest of my retainers. I would definitely recommend that product. It's super quick and to be honest the results are awesome. And I think if you have to wear retainers, which I have to wear these retainers every night for the rest of my life, like I want a product that will actually help clean them properly, and that seems to have done the trick. It's brilliant. So I'm super happy with that and I would definitely recommend it. You can find them on Amazon. I'll put the link below where I purchased mine from. They're I think around £7, but I'll put the price in that I got as well on there. It might just be a little bit over £7, like £7.60 or something like that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this very different video, but I was really desperate to test it out. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I'll see you next time. Bye!